Hi everyone, I'd like to start this week by highlighting an important opportunity available to families in Merthyr Tydfil. The Welsh Sports Foundation provides financial support to children and young people who may otherwise struggle to afford participation in sport. This can include help with the cost of swimming lessons, grassroots sports club memberships, and other associated fees that can sometimes be a barrier to getting involved. If you're a parent or carer and feel a cost is preventing your child from taking part in sport or structured physical activity, I'd encourage you to contact our Community Focus Schools team directly at cfs@merthyr.gov.uk to check eligibility and apply for support. At Monday's full council meeting, elected members approved the council's budget for 26-27. Councillors voted to prioritise schools' budgets, protect vital children's and adult social care services, and strengthen support for those experiencing homelessness, among many other commitments. Throughout this process, it was important to us to maintain essential service delivery while keeping any council tax increase to a minimum. That was the clear message from this year's budget consultation. We've listened carefully, and we believe this budget reflects the voices of our residents. We are aware that residents have been experiencing issues recently with local taxis not running their meters while in operation, and instead quoting inflated prices for lifts. This is not fair practice, and taxis must legally operate with a meter. As customers, please ensure you are asking for the meter to be switched on, and please report it to us if this is refused, providing the car registration and ideally the taxi licence ID. And finally, I hope you all enjoy celebrating St. David's Day this weekend. However you're marking the occasion, I wish you a very happy and proud Gwyl Dewi Sant. As always, thank you for your continued support, and I'll see you all again next week. Have a great weekend. Diolch.